Good morning, Algebra scholars. Today in ELT, you are doing most of the practice as combining like terms. So like terms have the same variable and same exponent. For example, v and 2v. Negative 7x and 10x. 0.55y and negative y. Same variable, same exponent. 2x to the third power and 4x to the third power. Same exponent, same variable. So in math, we like to keep things as short as possible. That's why we have this practice of combining like terms. So for number 1, I have 10p, I'm taking away 5p's. Let's say they stand for potatoes. I have 10 potatoes, I'm taking away 5 potatoes. 10 minus 5 is 5, I'm left with 5 potatoes. So instead of writing this, you can just write this. Equivalent. Same thing. Number 2, exactly the same. 2n and 8n, they're like terms. When I combine them, I get 10n. Number 3, I have 7x positive, and then I have another positive x. I also have two other terms that are alike to each other, this positive 6 and this minus 1. So when we have more than one set of like terms, we just combine both sets. So 7x plus an x is an 8x. I combined those. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's 8x plus 5. Be careful when you get to negative terms. That's why we do so much practice with integers. So for this one, it's like I have a negative v, and then I have positive 7v's. So I'm left with 6v's positive, so 6v. For this one, this is negative 4n minus 4n. So this could be like I lost 4, something that starts with an n. I lost 4 noodles. I lost another 4 noodles. That combines to be negative 8n. When you get to the next page, you're going to see parentheses. So remember, whenever we see parentheses, we do the distributive property. So that means I multiply. Parentheses always mean multiply. Negative 3 times 1 is a negative 3. Negative 3 times negative x is a plus 3x. Remember, a negative times a negative makes a positive. For this one, I have a negative 8 times a negative 4. That's a positive 32. Negative 8 times negative 7x is a positive 56x. And for the rest of that page, that's what you do. Be careful when you get down to the bottom. A problem like number 32. We only multiply by what's inside the parentheses. So this 8 is by itself, and that's not going to be multiplied by the negative 4. It's not in the parentheses. So you get 16v minus 32 plus 8. 16v is, there's no other term that ends with v, so that's done. And then I have this negative 32 and a plus 8 that I have to combine. And when I do that, I get 24 negative. So that was just a little intro to combining like terms, a little review. Please have your teacher contact me if you have any questions.